Hello, my name is Jonathan Gbone, and I'm 14 years old. I began Moonshot in March 2021. So far, Moonshot has been a great opportunity for me to learn and explore many different fields, such as robotics, app development, game development, and so much more. And this also allowed me to learn many things I didn't even know how to do before, such as how to create my own game, create my own app, and other things. And this could be very useful in the future when I'm getting a job and looking into different fields. When I began the class, the teachers and classmates were very welcoming and encouraging. And the teachers are able to reach out to me through emails, like through Yahoo, Gmail, and even the Zoom meeting, and they're able to answer my questions when I'm having trouble with my project. And they're also able to arrange schedules with me when I'm unavailable. Another thing about Moonshot is that when I began, they gave me a choice. They gave me videos to choose from to look at, such as robotics, home automation, game development, app development, and other things. And so I got to pick which one I liked the most. And for me, it was app development. So once I began app development, I first learned all the steps I had to do in the app development and how to create my app and brainstorm my own ideas. And what I liked about app development is that it allowed me to create my own ideas and to brainstorm and use my own thinking. And for app development, I'm using a mix of robotics and app development. And in robotics, it allows me to learn more about different types of robotics and everything that is used to create it. And so for my app, I want to remind people to change their water filters that are coming from the refrigerator. And this could be very useful because it could prevent people from drinking bad chemicals that are in their water, and it could also keep their water clean. And this would be used also in robotics because you will need to use it to remind people to change their water filters, because you'll need to keep track if the water is becoming old and dirty. Another thing I want to add in my app is something that can help detect any sound of water leaks coming from the kitchen sink. And this would be a mix of app development and robotics, because an app development is going to help remind people to close their sinks. Because I know sometimes when we close our sinks, there could be water remaining, which is also bad because that could be increasing water bills, and it could also be increasing the water consumption. And this would be very useful for fridges that have tablets, because the fridges that have tablets, it would be able to detect any sound that are coming from the fridge. And even if you're about to go out, don't worry. Once the fridge is on and it hears any sound of water leaking, it would be able to notify you right away. And some of the fun parts about Moonshot, some of my favorite parts that I liked in Moonshot was that we got to play interactive games that also got us learning, but in a fun way. And we also got to learn everything we needed to be prepared on how to create our own product. So I'm so excited for more to come in Moonshot, and thank you for listening. Bye.